And what better way to begin the grand occasion than by inviting the divine light of Holy Quran into our hearts and this stage. The scared verses holy wisdom for beyond and years, peace for every storm and clarity in every confusion.
You are right. The Quran isn't just a religious book. It's a complete guide to life, a lighthouse in the stormy ocean of challenge. And every word of it is filled with mercy and hope. So let's now welcome, with great respect and devotion, a student whose voice carries the serenity of the Quran and the calmness of faith. Uzair from class 10.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhal muzammil, qumil layla illa qalila. نصفه أو انقص منه قليلا أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا إنا سنلقي عليك قولا ثقيلا إن ناشعة الليل هي أشد وطئا وأقوم قيلا إن لك في النهار سبحا طويلا.
This school has a dream to make a positive difference to the lives we touch. School is a social system that needs to be awakened, and I pray to Almighty Allah to make our students the guiding lights for whole world. The Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Nilofer Khan, who is also the worthy chairman of our institution, always guided and supported the institution through great works. Honorable Ma'am, our students showed extraordinary and brilliant performance in the board exams and in various co-curricular activities like debate, SICIT, Inaspire Awards, singing, dancing, slogan writing, painting, calligraphy, dreams, art competition, etc. held at inter-school level, zonal level and district level also.
I think, having both these functions together is again a very good idea. And regarding felicitation, it's always, we have tried, it was the Honorable Vice Chancellor who last year proposed that we should have a felicitation ceremony for students who are performing well. And this, as a matter of fact, has provided a motivation for other students. As a matter of fact, I think Mahira was the topper. Last time I met her, she told me, मैंने अभी decide कर लिया कि मुझे उन पैसों के क्या करना है. So this is really a wonderful occasion for all of us.
Hearing about the good things of the school, and of course one of the good things is the result of 10th class of the school over the years has been very good. That means students primarily are working hard, teachers are working hard, and the good type of teaching ambience is being provided to the students. The university administration is committed. It's a very important unit of our university, part and parcel of the university, and whatever policy decisions we make for other departments or within the university, applicable to our model school also, and in order to develop it as I said, to become one of the best schools at UT, University of Kashmir, will do anything for that. And I must congratulate, I saw the small, performance by young girls and boys, a very good performance. I want that the teachers who are working in the university, teaching or non-teaching staff, work hard, teachers who work hard, and administration, when we see that the hard work has been put up, the incentives will also be given. But it's like a mission, we have to take it up, because there are some children whose parents are not educated. So we have to take it up as a mission to give full training to them, to give full attention to them, so that if this is the first generation which is being educated, this education goes on to their next generations when they are fully equipped.
First of all, I congratulate all those students who have got very excellent grades in the 10th class. You have made us proud. You have made the Honorable Vice Chancellor proud. You have made the whole administration proud. You have made the University of Kashmir proud. Recently, we had a NAC visit, and in fact, there was a discussion about the school, and they were very happy. Maybe they didn't visit the school, but they were generally very happy because this is a very beautiful institution which is coming up. Honorable Vice Chancellor has given already a nod that there will be the additional blocks coming up in this school. We are trying our best to get the work done, to get the work executed as soon as possible. My dear younger students, you know that some of you are in the 9th, some of you are in the 10th, someone is in 6th, someone is in 4th, in different classes. But मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, आपको पता है कि आपको कितनी मेहनत करनी है, बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी है, बिकॉज आगे बहुत कंपटीशन है. आपको पता है आने वाले सालों में ज़्यादा कंपटीशन बढ़ जाएगा. एंड एज फार एज द मॉडल स्कूल इज कंसर्न, इट शुड बी अ मॉडल. इसका मॉडल क्यों नाम दिया गया है? इट हैज़ टू बी एज अ मॉडल फॉर द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कश्मीर. मे बी देयर आर सम इशूज़, बहुत सारे इशूज़ रहे होंगे, अभी भी बहुत सारे हैं, बट the mission and vision of the Honorable Vice Chancellor is that we will remove all those issues and come up with a ground-based work so that it should really be a model school as a model institution.